press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on. Then press and hold the power button to enter the Bluetooth pairing mode for your phone. The red and blue lights are flashing. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings and tap X10 Phantom to pair. Pairing successful. Open the EJEAS app. Click the top right corner to pair devices. After finding the X10 Phantom, click to pair with the app to pair automatically. Once paired successfully, commands can be executed on the home page.
EJEAS, ride the wind and chase the dream with safety as the guard.